So you're a permanent resident and you're thinking about applying for U.S. citizenship, but the first question you may ask is, why bother applying in the first place? Well, there are many associated benefits with becoming a U.S. citizen, including the fact that you'll have the right to vote, hold government jobs, and serve on a jury. However, what prompts people the most in these situations is the fact that it becomes much easier to get your relatives inside the United States once you become a citizen. A permanent resident is only able to sponsor on behalf of their foreign spouse and their unmarried kids, whereas a citizen is able to sponsor their spouse, their kids, whether they're married or unmarried, their mother and father, and even your brothers and sisters. There's a wait time associated with getting your relatives inside the United States, but it becomes much easier and quicker if you're already a citizen. So if you know you want to become a citizen, how do you know if you're eligible? Well, the process for applying for citizenship is a process known as naturalization. In order to become eligible, you must first meet certain requirements under U.S. immigration law. So generally, you must be age 18 years or older. You must have been a lawful permanent resident for a certain amount of time. You must have satisfied a continuous residence and a physical presence inside the United States. You must be a person of good moral character. You must have a basic knowledge of U.S. history and government, and you must be able to read, write, and speak basic English. Now, there are, of course, exceptions to some of these requirements, but these are the most basic ones. So if you're eligible and you know you want to be a U.S. citizen, when can you apply? Well, you can apply when you've been a lawful permanent resident of the United States for 5 years or 3 years if you've been married to and continue to be married to and living with your U.S. citizen husband or U.S. citizen wife. If you have further questions about citizenship or citizenship status or how to obtain status, please do not hesitate to contact our firm.